my name is Daniel. I'm a member of Leon support team, and today I will show you how you can fasten the crew roster creation with our work plans feature. If you would like to start using our work plans feature, first of all you need to create a setup for it. In order to do it, please go to the settings, so the admin panel, and then to the duty setup. When you scroll down to the bottom part of the page, you will see the work plans. In order to create a new one, please click New Work Plan, and then window will pop up. In here, you can add the label, so the name of the work plan, and also add the duty definitions. All the duties are coming from the duty setup, so every duty will be available here. So you need to define the duty, the day count. You can provide the information if the duty should apply in the home base of the user or in a different airport. Also, you can add start time and end time of the duty. If you want to add new duty, then please click on the green arrow and new line will be visible on the window. With this arrow, you can add multiple duties at once, so you can have, for example, the work plan for a whole week or for 2 weeks. Then, when the setup has been completed, you can go to the crew calendar, and when you go to the particular crew member and you right-click on some particular day, the Add Work Plan Duty option will be available for you. From here, you can just click on the Created Work Plan and add the duties at once. If the auto roster function has been enabled in one of the duties, it will be also possible to assign crew members to the flights that are already added to Leon. As you can see, with the work plans feature set, you can easily create roster for 1 month or few with just few clicks. For this information and more, please visit our LinkedIn page and our YouTube.